Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Are you fasting today? It's going Ramadan day. Today I am fasting and I'm continuously doing this. Uh, I'm just want to know about your fasting day. How do you face and how do you spend your time this Ramadan day? And actually, how am I fasting this Ramadan day? How is feeling now? And even how do I feel during, especially when I am fasting? Like right now, I'm also fasting. I'm going to describe my fasting situations. It is like for me, it's better for me, everything. And also, as a Muslim, we know fasting is a for us activities, one of them under the law of Islam. So as a Muslim who is a adult, like over 12 years, he must have to, or he has to fast for Ramadan day because it's the rules of our Islam. And by the way, so now I'm fasting. Little bit I'm hungry, but after researching a long years of the scientific, they shows that the person who fast, they get different kind of benefits, such as they get some shyness words and their body becomes very smart and everything is work betterly. So even many scientists suggested everyone should fast like 2 or 3 days in a month at least. It must help them. And we usually eat up 11 months in a year, and we have the 1 month for fasting. This is law for Allah, but it is also benefit for every Muslim who do this, and this is absolutely very beneficial. Why the fasting is beneficial? This is the reason is that, like, when you fast, your stomach will want something to eat, and when you will become hungry and stomach try to meet its hungry eating other parts, like in your body there are different kind of digestive harmful things available. Disease is also something like that, and your hungry will meet eating like this, and as a result, after having fasted, you will be get result. And when anyone fast, this is one of the reason, and this is one of the best benefit a fasting person gets from these things. And anyone, not only you but also everyone, get this type of useful things if you really can keep fasting in a month, a whole, at least 1 month, 29 or 30 days happens in a month. So if you can, anyone can do this, you will get a lot of benefit, like your lot of disease, lot of unfortunate things, and in your stomach many things you will get rid of from here. And it is absolutely good for me, good for everyone who fast, and I suggest everyone. But right now, what is my suggestion, or right now what is feeling is this, I will share this is also, like, I'm hungry but I'm not too much hungry, and I'm also get some benefit, like it is over 20 days past Ramadan day, and also I get a lot of thinking. But usually out of the Ramadan day, when someone become hungry, he gets a lot of tired, a lot of like tired he feels. But during Ramadan day, when you feel hungry, you do not feel you're very tired, you feel you're strong. Like, this is the one kind of environment, because when Ramadan comes, environment changes totally, and this is the reason, I think. But out of the Ramadan day, anyone who does not eat have the breakfast, have the lunch, they must be feel tired, and their hungry must be eat something to meet their hungry, and they want to be, or they want to must be something. This is the things. But in Ramadan it's totally different, because it's a God gifted thing. Allah changed the environment, Allah keeps the environment, make the environment like this, so that all Muslims can be fast, can have fast properly. This is the things. This is my Ramadan experience, and this is your turns. Are you really fasting today? And what do you get benefit, or what do you think fasting is important for as a Muslim? There is a scientific proof and scientific benefit for you. This is also scientific benefit. But what do you think about fasting? If you are fasting, so what kind of benefit you are actually get? Of course, comment down in the comment box. I will read your comment. At least you comment 1 year, 2 years, even 5 years later or 10 years later, I'm ready to check up your comment, and I'll get new information from you for a fasting as a Muslim. So goodbye for today. Come back another video very soon. Till that time, keep practicing, be safe, and keep learning. Use your every moment for good things, good thinking, and keep your place better by you. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.